In mid-April, 13 homeless people occupied a part of the European Parliament in Brussels for about 4 days. They were not real persons, but bronze sculptures of different homeless in natural size as we all know them from the streets around Europe. The sculptures are done by the Danish artist and activist Jens Galschiøt, who joined the cause of the work done by the homeless organizations.
Project Udenfor is very proud to be here today because it's the result of a hard journey that we have made together with the sculptor Jens Galschiøt. We come here today to put focus on homelessness and, of course, on ending homelessness. And we do that on 2 occasions. Primarily, we make a political hearing with the participation of the Social Commissioner and in collaboration with Fianza.
The exhibition about the homeless. I'm making 13 different sculptures about homeless in Bronx. So making a statement about, to make a discussion about what we should do with the homeless thing. This is we're starting here in the European Parliament, so making a lot of connection all over Europe, and also to get a kind of a conference where I would discuss what to do with homeless in Europe.
How do you make the definition of a homeless person?
A homeless person is both men and women who sleep directly in the streets, but it's also people that live at a friend's house, at the couch at a friend's house. It is also people who are in prison and who is about to be released without a home to go to. It is also people in hospitals that are leaving hospitals without a place to go. So there are many forms of homelessness, and we have to take them all into account in order to reduce the number of homeless people.